Let's take a graph for this particular one. Okay? If I will want to find the area here. First thing, this is bounded. When I say bounded, it's not just this is the upper and lower limit. Can you see what is this line over here? Everyone? Can you tell me what is this straight line over here? This is x is equal to a. This is the lower limit. Okay? What is this line over here? This is x is equal to b. This is the upper limit. That means this particular area is enclosed by x is equal to a, which is the lower limit, x is equal to b, which is the upper limit. What other things are actually covering this particular shaded area that I've just mentioned? What other curve or what other lines? This shaded area? Y is equal to 0. What is that? That's the x-axis. Am I right? What else? Of course, the curve itself. So any shaded area usually are bounded by 4 sides. Okay, in this topic. Usually 4, sometimes can be 3. It really depends. So this one, without further ado, most of you will say clear cut. When you want to find this particular area, you integrate lower limit, which is a, upper limit, which is b, this function in x with respect to x. This function in x with respect to x because 2 reasons. One reason is bounded by the x-axis. Can you see? Bounded is another word for covered. Okay? Likewise, the expression must be in terms of x. And you will be able to find your shaded area over here. Okay? But yesterday, I only did one example. The other kind of example that looks like this. What happens if I want to find the area here? Now, my shaded area in red over here. First thing, same thing. I must know what are my lower and upper limit. I'm going to extend the line a little bit. If this is say A, this is B. First thing, what is this line that I'm extending? This is y is equal to A. What is this line that I'm extending now? This is y is equal to B. And take note, your upper limit must always be larger than your lower limit. Likewise, your upper limit will always be bigger than your lower limit over here. So, these are the 2 sets of rather upper and lower limit. What other lines or curves also bound the red shaded area? Y-axis, like what Tiffany just mentioned. What else? The curve. But take note, if now I want to find this shaded area, which I know most of you will be able to tell me the lower limit to be A, the upper limit to be B. Okay? And you'll be able to tell me, Tiffany, integrate with respect to what? Y or X? Integrate with respect to Y. But now comes the decision making. Should my expression be in terms of X or in terms of Y? It must be in terms of Y because we need to integrate with respect to Y. If my expression is in terms of y, what is the subject of this curve? Okay, x will be the subject of this curve then. So, there must be a x is equal to something in terms of y. Then you integrate a function in terms of y with respect to y to find the shaded area.